By the end of this video, you will experience at least one of these shifts. Number one, a mental block dissolving, like I can't charge more or I am not ready. Two, clarity on your next move, no more analysis paralysis. Three, unshakable certainty in your ability to execute. This is not for everyone. This is profound knowledge and deep wiring. We will be using my basic deep code hypnosis session for business and professional growth. I'm Dr. MD, a certified hypnotherapist, and I will be guiding you through this session. Now let's clear some air. Hypnosis isn't what most people think it is. It is not sleep. It is not mind control. It is a relaxed, focused state, one where real change becomes possible. It is the same tool elite performers have used to rewire their internal patterns. Adele used hypnosis to overcome stage fright. Ellen DeGeneres used it to quit smoking. Jennifer Aniston used it to overcome her fear of flying. Andre Agassi used it to sharpen his focus. And today, you will use it to reprogram one internal instruction that's been silently sabotaging your business or professional growth, and replace it with a new instruction that supports clarity, confidence, and forward momentum. If you have any doubts or questions about hypnosis, drop them in the comments. I'm here to support you. But if you are here for shallow motivation or dopamine hits, you can skip this video. This is for those who are ready to upgrade now. Let's begin. Think of one thing right now that's slowing you down or could make you fail in your business or career. Just hold that thought for a moment. You might be thinking it's something external, a broken strategy, market conditions, or someone not pulling their weight. Or maybe you are blaming something internal, lack of consistency, self-doubt, or not having a certain skill. And there's also a third possibility. You can feel that something's off, but you can't explain it. It's like you are putting in the hours, showing up, but something still feels stuck, as if a part of you isn't fully on board. You feel something is missing. The truth is, most people don't fail because of a lack of strategy. They fail because of the internal instructions they have been unconsciously following. Quiet codes written deep in the nervous system years ago. You did not choose them, but they now dictate how visible you are allowed to be, how much money you allow yourself to receive, whether you speak up, take risks, or stay small. And unless those codes are updated, you will keep working hard but feel stuck. The problem isn't what you are doing, it's what your mind believes you are allowed to do. Now let's start identifying the invisible code that's sabotaging your success. Release it and replace it with a code that promotes and accelerates your growth. Before we begin, know this. You are always in control. This is not sleep. This is not mind control. You are simply entering a relaxed, focused state. If at any point you need to come out, whether there's an emergency, someone calls you, or you just feel like stopping, you can gently open your eyes and return to full awareness, feeling calm and alert. This session will take you through 3 simple but powerful steps: identify, release, and replace. First, I will help you identify a hidden internal instruction that's been holding you back. Then we will release it from your system. And finally, we will replace it with a new instruction, a new code, something that aligns with growth, clarity, and forward momentum. Now, find a safe, quiet space. Do not operate machinery or drive while listening to this. sit or lie down comfortably. Gently close your eyes and take a slow, deep breath in. And slowly breathe out. Again, inhale and exhale. With each breath, let your body relax. Relax just a little more. Let your shoulders drop. Let your mind soften. Nothing to do. Do nothing. Nowhere to go. Go nowhere. Just this moment now. Now I want you to imagine. Imagine now that you are standing in front of a doorway. This doorway leads to your inner world, a place where all your thoughts, patterns, and memories are stored. As you gently walk through the door you walk, you find yourself in a calm, quiet space. A space quiet and calm. A room, a private room inside your subconscious. And on one of the walls, there is a large screen. That screen will now begin to play a moment from your life where you held back, where you wanted to move forward in business, in your career, in your finances, but something stopped you. You stopped. Watch that memory play out. No judgment, just observation. Let it play. And now, gently ask yourself, what was the belief that held me back there? What did I tell myself in that moment? I am not good enough. People will judge me. Success can get dangerous. Nobody cares about me, so why put in the effort? I might fail again. Let that belief come forward. Hear the words. It may be a sentence, a sensation, or even an image. Maybe it's been with you for years. Maybe you did not even know it was there. But today, we are going to release it as it serves no purpose and has nothing good for your purpose. Now, imagine this belief, this code you have been unconsciously following, written on a sheet of glass. Read it once, and now say to yourself, this is not my truth. This is just an old code. It is not who I am. It is what I learned. And I now choose to release it. Now, at the count of 3, I want you to take a deep breath in, and as you exhale, I want you to imagine the sheet of glass shattering into 1,000 pieces. 1. Take a deep breath. 2. Exhale. And 3. Imagine the sheet of glass carrying your old code shattering into 1,000 pieces. Gone. Released. The space that held that code is now free. You identified and released your old code. And into that space, we now install a new instruction. Repeat silently in your mind after me. I am ready to grow. I am allowed to be seen. I trust myself. My effort creates impact. I lead with clarity. I am allowed to charge, scale, and receive more. I now operate from a higher code. My subconscious supports my expansion. I create, I move, I receive. Let those words settle in. Let them sink deeper. Let them become your new internal operating system. Now, take a moment to imagine yourself just a few days from now, speaking, moving, executing with more power and ease. Something has shifted. It's already happening. And now, begin to return. Wiggle your fingers, wiggle your toes. Take one final deep breath in. And as you exhale, gently open your eyes, bringing back with you the new code you have just activated. How was that? Share your experience in the comment section. I would love to read, and subscribe if you haven't already. If even a small part of you felt clearer, lighter, or more ready, know this: you have just scratched the surface. One shift creates room for many, and this work goes far beyond today. That's exactly what we do inside Foundation X. It's not a course, it is a full internal upgrade built for professionals, creators, and entrepreneurs who are done chasing outcomes without upgrading the identity that drives them. Inside Foundation X, my home study course, I walk you through 10 powerful layers from identity and emotional blocks to execution and mindset design. So you stop pushing and start creating from alignment. I recently compared Foundation X to two of the world's most talked about transformation programs. One priced at $4,000 and the other at 5,000 US dollars. I used artificial intelligence to evaluate depth, structure, outcome, and applicability. The result? Foundation X stood out as the best home study system for total inner transformation. If you are done with temporary motivation and ready for permanent recalibration, click the link in the description and join Foundation X today. This isn't hype, this is your reset. Let's upgrade the code. I will see you inside. Until then, take charge.